All right, so before I get started on the Wednesday, Thursday instructional video, I want to clarify how you upload your EdTech skill number 2 assignment. So soon you'll see your week 4 topic here. Underneath you'll have your week 4 slides, science classwork, and then another assignment called EdTech skill number 2. If you click on EdTech skill number 2 and look at the instructions, it will say click on view assignment. On your end, it'll say view assignment. Click on add or create. Click on Google Drive. And then you're going to attach your Screencastify video, okay? And then turn in your assignment by clicking on mark as done or turn in. Now, if you pause and then come back to your work, you turn in your assignment by going to classwork first, right up here, the title of this assignment, view assignment, mark as done. In the same way, you follow the same steps here, okay? Again, let me know if you have any questions regarding that. So Wednesday and Thursday, your learning intentions are to consider how science and engineering practices help us understand how and why things work the way they do. And then our other learning intention is about science and engineering practice number 1, to define problems and ask questions. Your agenda for today is your kickoff, your digital interactive science notebooks, science and engineering practice 1, and then your learning log. So your kickoff is asking you to describe a scientific problem we have in this world. Why is it a problem? Do your best to think of something else besides COVID-19. You know, this is what we're all thinking about right now. We just want this to be over. So unless you can go into more specific detail than that which we already know and think about all the time, I challenge you to think about a different scientific problem. So once you're done with that, type it over here, and then it's a problem because, you know, here you're going to write 2 questions you have about the scientific problem you mentioned, 1 bullet point for each question. Excuse me. So slide 20, it says Introduction to your Digital Interactive Science Notebook. Your directions are to go to Google Classroom, click on Classwork, click on Digital Interactive Science Notebook, and then you're going to complete the following slides. Slide 1, slide 3, 4, and 13. Slide 1, you're just typing your name and class period. And I want you to notice something here. It says, I will be updating your notebooks throughout the year. So make sure you click on update before you start working on a slide. Because if you start working on a slide and there's an update and you click update afterwards, your work is gone. Slide 3, you're going to read and record your answer in the green box. Slide 4, notice the directions in the speaker notes section, read the directions, answer the questions in the green box. Slide 13, again, read the directions. So we'll go over these when we go to your digital interactive science notebooks and answer the questions in the green box. So let's look at where you would find your digital interactive science notebooks. So again, you would go to classwork. Eventually this will be posted for you. You'll click on digital interactive science notebook. This is something you'll be visiting throughout the whole year. And this is where you will find, so you'll click on view assignment, and obviously yours will have your name before digital interactive science notebook. I want to show you, so this is my version of it, and this is the student version. So notice here it says update. Here it says update. On my end, it shows that I have created for you a lovely table to help you organize things. So if you click update, it'll sync. It'll have the same exact thing that I have on my slides as it does on yours, okay? So the expectation is that you're looking at the slides and you're seeing, okay, do I need to update before you start working in the green boxes, okay? So you'll read through slide 3, slide 4, notice the directions here at the bottom and the number of points in the presenter notes. If again, the video is not playing for you right away, click on present and it'll play automatically. Make sure you answer your questions in complete sentences. And then if I go back to the slides, it says we are doing slides 1, 3, 4, and 13. So 1, type your name, type the period. 3, go over this. 4, and finally, you go to slide 13. So here, the lesson 1 for the unit human body systems is about defining problems and asking questions. And specifically, this one's about human limitations. So I want you to watch this video, write about the scientific problem you saw in the video that it presents about human limits, and then answer the following questions. Again, type in complete sentences. If they are not in complete sentences, you will not receive full points. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions about that. We're going to go back to our slides, and then you'll fill out the exit ticket. So this is about the diving ketchup, which is right here, right? It's on slide 4. This is the diving ketchup. So I'm asking, did you try out the diving ketchup at home and watch the video, or did you only watch the video? Just let me know. I just want to see how things are going for you. And then here you're going to write a hypothesis about why the phenomenon of the diving ketchup is possible and what scientific questions you can ask in order to find the answer. All right, hopefully you enjoyed getting to learn about scientific phenomena and hypotheses. I will see you next time.